we do today earlier with the horn thingy?
Push the button and we can take a picture.
So we pushed the button and did it go beep?
It
went beep.
Okay. Let's do a picture.
You want to get a picture of it too? Hold that. And I'll get the air horn. Everybody enjoy the little niece. Where did it go?
I got it in my ear.
It's the air horn. We're going to blow it inside. We can't blow it inside, silly.
Okay.
Our air horn. Our little itty bitty mini air horn. Makes a lot of sound for a little mini thing though. So, yeah. Alright, little itty bitty air horn that halfway matches my Batman shirt. So, yeah. Come here, mini-me.
I want to top on him, dang.
You want to hold it? Don't press it. We're holding air horns.
You're holding a horn.
Having fun with that air horn?
I'm holding a horn.
You are?
You
want 2 air horns? I got 2 air horns, but I'm not getting the second one out.
Air horn.
Try to hammer it now? Gonna try
What?
to hammer it? Nope, don't press the button.
Why?
Just go like a hammer.
That?
No, hammer. Doop, doop.
Oh. Doop, 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 doop.
We're hammering my lips. That's what we're doing. We're hammering my lips back into place. We're going to continue to hammer my body back into place with an air horn. So, we will see you guys probably tomorrow. And hopefully I will be all hammered back in place.
And then
Wish me luck.
Fancy luck.